Hi, we are doing exercise 20A, area and perimeter, class 9, question number 4, which says that ABC is a triangle in which AB is equal to AC and angle A is 90 degree. Calculate the area of triangle ABC and length of perpendicular from A to BC. So first we will make that triangle. It's A at 90. That means angle A is 90 degree. This is A. So this has to be B or this has to be C or vice versa. So what we see, AB is equal to AC given, that is 4. Now for the area of the triangle, we know what is the formula for area of the triangle? Half base into height. Now what is the base? Base is on which the 90 degree is made. That is the base. So AB is the base and the height is the perpendicular, that is AC. That means half into 4 into 4. This get cancelled and this comes out to be 8. As the AB and AC are in centimeter, so the area becomes centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Now the second portion, the length of perpendicular from A to BC. So let's draw the figure again. This is A, this is B, this is C. From A to BC, this will be a perpendicular we have drawn from A to BC. Let this be H. And now in this case, we see that BC becomes the base. And let it be D. AD, that is H, is the height. Fine. So when we take BC as the base and AD as the height, the area's formula becomes half base may will come BC and height may AD, that is H. Fine. Now my job will be to find BC first, right? And first let's find BC. BC is, let it be whatever. So we see ABC is a right angle triangle, BAC is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, the Pythagoras theorem states that the hypotenuse, that is BC is the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. That means hypotenuse square is base square plus perpendicular square. Fine. So now BC square will become AB is 4 square plus 4 square. Fine. That means it will become BC square is 16 plus 16. Fine. So BC is 16 plus 16 is 32. Square we remove, then we put a square root on the other side. So BC is square root of 32. Now what is the square root of 32? We can factorize 32. 2, right? 2 into 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 1. So now this will become as, we'll take pairs. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We'll take pairs and this will be left alone. Out of pair we will take one number, 2, one number from this 2, and this 2 has no pair, this is root. So the BC becomes 4 root 2 centimeter. Now we know that the area which we found out previously over here will be same if we find the area taking BC as the base. The area of the triangle will not change because it's the same triangle. So area is half BC into AD, when we take BC as the base and AD as the height, this is equal to 8, which we found before in the previous first portion. The area is 8 centimeter square. So if we find the area taking BC as the base and AD as the height, what we get? We will surely get 8 only, because the area will not change because it's the same triangle. So now we will put the values. BC is 4 root 2 and AD is H or AD only. We can leave it. This gets cancelled, right? So AD is 8 upon 2 root 2. Fine, because 2 root 2 goes that side and it becomes divide. So you can get this can get cancelled. That is 4 upon root 2. Now what we will do, 4 upon root 2, we will rationalize. Rationalize means we will remove the square root from the denominator. Here we can see the denominator has a square root. Fine, so to remove the square root, how do we rationalize? We multiply the numerator and denominator by the same square roots. Here it is root 2, we will multiply numerator with root 2 and the denominator with root 2. So the numerator will become 4 root 2 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. Why root 2 into root 2 is 2? Again, the indices formula can come here. Root 2 means 2 raised to the power half and 2 raised to the power half. That means the bases are same and the powers get added. So the powers half plus half becomes 1. That's the reason root 2 into root 2 becomes 2. So this gets cancelled. So what is my AD? My AD is 2 root 2 centimeter.